Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Todoist recurring reminders to prevent task overload. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your Todoist app on your device. Navigate to the project or task where you want to disable the recurring reminders. Locate the task for which you have set up recurring reminders. Click on the task to open its details. Find the option labeled Due Date. If there is a recurring schedule set, you will see it displayed next to the due date. Click on the Recurring Date option. This will bring up a menu of scheduling choices. Select the current recurring schedule in the menu. To disable it, choose the option that removes the recurrence. Confirm the changes by clicking Save or Done. Your task will now revert to being a one-time reminder. Repeat these steps for any additional tasks with recurring reminders. To prevent future task overload, regularly review your tasks. Consider setting specific days or times for tasks instead of recurring reminders. This strategy can help you manage your workload more effectively. By disabling unnecessary recurring reminders, you keep your task list manageable. Take note of upcoming deadlines and prioritize tasks accordingly. Always adjust your reminders and tasks based on your current workload. This proactive approach will help you stay focused and prevent burnout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.